This is Jerry from Chalk and Ink Your Way. Happy Friday. It's Good Friday today, so I hope you've had a wonderful day. I actually went to get Jenna yesterday. I spent the evening with her and then brought her home this morning. She's been doing some schoolwork. She'll be here for the weekend, and then we'll take her back to finish up the last bit of her schoolwork. Anyway, I have a fairly large, I think it's probably 18 by 20 canvas that I wanted to do some reverse chalking on. Now, when I first started doing it, there were all these staples, and I was pulling the staples off. Is it working?
I don't think so. You can keep going, but I think you might be having an issue.
Oh, well, Erin will figure it out afterwards because this is being recorded. So anyway, I heard a really cool trick, because what I did before was I took all the staples out, and that was a lot of work. So the trick I have is to take a knife and just cut on either side of the staples. I've done most of the sides. Haven't done this last side yet, kind of for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to be chalking today. I'm just going to get this ready. I'm going to put the knife away so that I don't hurt myself with it. Then I'm just going to peel off the canvas. There's a staple here going the other way that I just need to peel off. And here as well. Now the canvas is going, I don't need the canvas to be wrapped around anymore. So I will be cutting some excess off. Okay, so I have the frame. So right now I'm just going to take the canvas and I'm going to move it to the side because I don't need to do that. I will do it tomorrow. Now, anyone who knows me knows that painting and staining are not my friends. So I'm going to try a new technique. I have some regular dollar store paint that I've put in a jar, actually an empty chalk couture jar, and I've added some water to it. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take a paper towel. Now this will be the frame, and the canvas will go on the back because that will finish it off a lot nicer. So what I'm going to do is just going to put some paint on the paper towel, and I'm just going to put it on the surface of the frame. Now the paper towel is disintegrating a bit, so maybe I should use a shop towel the next time. But I'm just applying some paint to the frame. This is easy cleanup because I can just clean it up with water. I don't have to worry about using chemicals. You just have to make sure that you have enough of the color that you're using to cover the whole frame. Because if you don't, you'll never match the color. And if it's not quite as dark as you'd like it, you can also put another coat on. Making sure that I have all the insides done as well as the outsides. Put a little bit more here. Yeah, I should have used a shop towel for this. They say to use a baby wipe, but I didn't have any baby wipes, and I didn't think the Clorox wipes would So, there I have a stained frame. Now, I might go over it again. If I don't like the color. But I'm just going to let it dry. So there we go. Easy cleanup. I don't have to use any harsh chemicals or anything. And I'm just going to pick up the canvas so you can kind of look. I will put it behind and staple it back on. And this one, I think I'm going to do that geometric, a journey one on that. So, just put a little bit more color on it. I am actually using a Clorox wipe and it seems to be working better than the paper towel. Anyway, there you go. Quick and easy. And there's my frame. So I hope you have a wonderful evening. You have a wonderful Easter weekend. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.